Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career situation. And I have a special fairy tale pick a card love reading after this general energy. So stay tuned for that, guys. That may answer some questions you have in your situation. So let's start with these cards for your general energy first. Let's turn the cards, guys. So we have 8 of cups in reverse, 7 of swords, and 6 of pentacles in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, Capricorn, maybe in your circumstance, it may be in your career or in your personal life in this relationship, guys, there is someone ready to grab your opportunities, or it may be someone trying to use you, use your efforts, skills, or use something of yours, maybe your home, your car, or some possessions you have. So this person is quite jealous or envious of you, and they are posing as your friend or a family member, but in truth they do not have uh, that good intentions towards you, guys. You need to be really careful with this person in your situation today. And maybe for some of you, there is someone having a huge crush on you. So this person is watching you from a distance today, and or maybe they are watching you for some time now, and they are always finding out about you, asking your friends or the people you work with. They are gathering information about you, but they have not come to you still, but they are waiting to come. Maybe this person will come to you, guys, very soon. So they are interested in you and they want to tell their feelings to you, guys, Capricorn. And maybe for some of you, they are inviting you to a party, dinner, or like a date, and they are having that open communication with you, guys, what they feel and how deeply they feel for you, or how deeply they are attracted to you, guys. So Capricorn, someone has a huge crush on you, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys. And there is someone against you, quite jealous of you. So you need to be really careful, guys, Capricorn. So let's see what is the card for relationship first. So this was the card, guys, and we have 4 of wands in reverse. So though this card is in reverse, it simply denotes celebration, happiness, and you are celebrating some new beginning. Maybe it may be a small beginning. Maybe this person has proposed, or you have proposed this to this person you love, or uh, you have opened that, what to say, that new chapter. You have told this person how you feel about them, and you are happy for this love or for this person, and this person has accepted your proposal, maybe. So some kind of celebration is what I see, guys, with this card for your relationship. Let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Ace of Pentacles in reverse again. But there is going to be great prosperity and abundance in your situation, guys. But you need to be really humble to have this or to prolong this success and prosperity in your life. So you need to be really humble today, Capricorn. That is what I see with these cards for your general energy, guys. Please stay tuned for the fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card, and today's reading is a special fairy tale pick a card love reading. So it may answer some questions you have in your mind, guys, regarding your situation. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can meditate for a few seconds, think about your situation, and you can think about the crystals and choose the crystal which comes to you first. So that way, that card, the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so we will see what is the card, the first card for us with this crystal. So we will see what it is. It is Nixie of Melpont, memory. So that is the card here. So for those who have chosen this card, maybe in your situation today, you are trying to avoid some people, or you are trying to avoid a certain situation. But with this card, the clear message is that you cannot avoid it, guys, or you cannot control your own feelings. Maybe you have strong feelings towards someone and you are trying to avoid meeting them, or you are trying to avoid this connection or trying to avoid that relationship. But whatever you are trying to do, if you want to free yourself from that fear or that burden, that emotional burden you have, you should be ready to face this situation. Only then you will be able to move forward in your life, in your situation. So whatever sorrow this circumstance brings, after meeting this person, it will turn to joy and love, and you will feel that true emotional connection with this person, and that soul to soul connection and some kind of bonding. But you have some fears. That is the reason you are trying to avoid. You need to overcome those fears, guys. That is what I see with this card for those who have chosen this first card and this first crystal. So let's see what is the second card. I will leave it here now. So with this second card, guys, let's see what is the card. The Snow Queen, loyalty. So this just means that there is someone really close to you. You have a very deep friendship with someone, and this friendship stands for that innocence and that heartfelt communication, understanding. So maybe it is a very enduring friendship that you have with this person, and it has stood its time, faced lot of trials maybe. And maybe for some of you, this person you consider as your friend or very close to you. This may be the person you love. Something has come up, and this person has gone cold and unresponsive. Maybe they are having some obsessions or addictions. That may be the reason. But you need to have hope in this friendship. Maybe today this it may be going through some kind of a difficult phase in this connection or in this friendship, but very soon it is going to get back. You are going to feel magic in this connection. You are going to feel loved and loyal and feel that trust with this person, guys. So everything is going to come back to what it was before. Maybe for some of you, you are missing that friendly nature of this person you love, and that this person has given you a cold shoulder, maybe for some reason, but they are going to come back to you, and you are going to feel loved, and you are going to feel that trust on this person once again, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.